Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to buy crypto on Kraken app. So I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to get started. So the first thing you have to do is to open the Kraken app and log into your account. So if you don't have an account, sign up and complete the verification process. Then after that, tap on funding at the bottom menu. Then select deposit and choose your preferred cryptocurrency, for example USD or EUR, which is the euro. Then follow the instruction to add via bank transfer, card, or other method. So go to the crypto. So tap on the buy crypto button on the home screen, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy, for example Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then after that, input the amount of flat currency or cryptos you want to spend. Then after that, review the equivalent amount of the selected cryptos. Then check the transaction details including fee. Then after that, to buy now, to complete, then tap buy now to complete the purchase. Then go to portfolio to see your new crypto balance. And that's just a simple step-by-step guide on how to buy crypto on Kraken app. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this.